This is what a toilet looks like that is on a local well that the water supply has a ton of iron in it. So what we are going to do is treat this toilet with iron out tablets and see how well that works in cleaning the toilet. We're not going to do any scrubbing. So it's been about 2 months since we treated this toilet with iron out tablets, and you can see it's a lot brighter in there, and there's some rust breaking down off the sides. So the tablet is gone, so I'm going to put a new one in there, but you can see it's a lot of the rust is disappearing off the sides. There's still some around on this side, so I'm going to put another tablet in. So again, this is the iron out tablet I'm using. I'll put a link in the description where you can get these. And so what I'm going to do this time is I'm actually going to flush the toilet, and then I'm going to drop this guy down on this side this time. That's it. We'll put the tank cover back on, and you can see this rust is probably going to be gone in the next 45 days. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.